Hi everyone, we're here with Black Winter Group from Corps Military Intelligence of Ukraine. We delivered them two vans which they urgently needed at the front lines. I want to say again, thank you, keep supporting Ukraine. These guys, they need more vehicles as they fight in some of the toughest areas at the front. Thank you.
Дякуємо, що підтримуєте Black Winter Group та Сили оборони України. Продовжуйте нам допомагати робити свою справу. Слава Україні!
Героям слава!